Yep. Okay. I'm Jono Marcus, Director of Digital Innovation at Citizen Brando. And the reason you've asked me to do this piece to camera is because a little while ago I did a talk to the PRCA on great global brand development in the digital age. And I'm trying to now boil it down into just 11 points if I can. So my first point is that it's all about big creative ideas that are based on penetrating human insights. And the second point is that 2012 is all about the word digital becoming totally irrelevant. So any great global brand development should work across all platforms and use any relevant technologies. Number 3, digital is so important in any great global brand development because it's actually become the most effective way to reach all consumers because the penetration of broadband and social networking is so high now. However, even with all the talk about social networks and digital, the key thing is just deeply understanding consumers' needs and desires in each market. And that's why I think global brands need to develop a purpose-inspired growth strategy. They need to show how their mission actually changes people's lives and can change people's lives. But in order to do that, the global brand needs to ensure it actually has market capability in its chosen markets in order to be able to carry out the mission successfully and to actually be able to promote the products they're trying to push well in that particular market. Web 2.0 ultimately means that global brands have to be transparent and they have to be authentic to earn consumers' trust. So what global brands have to do differently now is think every step on the way, am I giving my consumers something they want? What do my consumers really want? Point 8. Global brands need to stop worrying about being different from competitors. They need to actually, as my next point, worry about is they're actually fulfilling their global purpose as brilliantly as they could be. Point 10. It's not about big creative ideas that will last for a moment and then disappear off. Great global brand development in the digital age is about big creative ideas that will last for years and not weeks. And I guess the ultimate question is, how can agencies help with this? Well, what they can do is provide audience insight in a very detailed way to the brand. They can make sure the brand constantly knows what the latest digital innovations are and how they can be making use of them. And the agencies are there in the local markets. They have the intelligence, they have the proximity and the presence. And they can be a safeguard to always make sure they're reminding the brand guardians, client side, that in this day and age, for great global brand development to take place, the customer is always the boss.